Hey you guys, Sylvia here and welcome you all to my Faceless Tube Empire review. So here we have the sales page to Faceless Tube Empire. If you wish to check it out for yourself, go and click that link below my review. This is my affiliate link. So if you buy it from me, I'll get a commission for it. Yes, I will, because I do affiliate marketing. Okay, so yeah, that would make my day. But anyhow, let me review the product for you before you decide whether this is for you or not. Okay. Now, this is the newest launch by Alessandro Zamboni from Bella Italia. Ciao bello, ciao bella. Okay. And guys, it really went live yesterday on the 30th of October. At what time? 10 a.m. New York time yesterday, yeah. But I was just traveling and I just was too tired when I got back home to review it for you yesterday. Okay, but here I come. The girl is back in town and I'll tell you all about it right now. Okay, I've just gone through this product. This is the members area, guys, and it is going to be delivered to you in a form of an ebook, but also what's super cool, I love it, okay, that they give you this option of reading the ebook online, and that is sort of like a flip book, so check this out. I really like that, so that's how I read this product. Okay, I love it, okay, I really enjoy it. So it's like a guide, it's a training course in the form of a book, an ebook. Okay, so I'm just quickly flipping through. It's over 30 pages long. Now, we'll check out the funnel as well. There are 4 upsells, and guys, for those who decide to buy this product via my affiliate link in the description box, you will also get some splendid bonuses, guys, which will complement the product nicely. Okay, so I've read the ebook. I know this is a useful guide for beginners, guys. Okay, it's super newbie friendly for beginners who don't have a YouTube channel yet, or maybe who do. I mean, yeah, it shows you how to start a YouTube channel and how to create shorts, faceless YouTube shorts using nothing but AI. Okay, it will recommend some tools. It will guide you through the whole creation process of those YouTube shorts. However, as I was reading through this guide, I was thinking, okay, like, what about the person who doesn't have a YouTube channel yet? Will they know how to customize it and optimize it for, 100% SEO score? They probably won't, okay? I know how to do it because my videos rank pretty well, okay? And, according to TubeBuddy, I always get anything around 90-95, very often 100% SEO score. So therefore, I thought I would create a guide, well, like a tutorial, more like a tutorial on how to customize the YouTube channel. It's a 2023 beginner guide here. This is a link to, this is one of the bonuses. It's a link to my YouTube tutorial, which is unlisted, only available for those who decide to buy Faceless Tube Empire via the link below my review. Okay, then I also give you guys, these are like products I gave, these are PLR products. I mean, I bought those PLR products, okay, which went live some time ago, and I have the ability to give them away as bonuses. So it's called AI Reels Academy. It will go very sort of hand in hand with this product. It will complement Faceless Tube Empire because it's another perspective on how to create those AI reels, those YouTube shorts, TikTok shorts. Guys, when you create shorts, you can repurpose them. And if that wasn't enough, I also give you guys access to this desktop vertical video training, which demonstrates for you how to create YouTube shorts using your desktop, so from your laptop, not your phone, like blah 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 blah, yeah, blah blah. Okay, so not like that, okay, using your phone, but your desktop. So, and they will be still vertical. Okay, so enough about bonuses. Let's get to the product. So here we are on the sales page. Okay, that's Zamboni. I really like Alessandro Zamboni. I mean, I always praise him to high heavens as to, you know, the quality of support he recommends. He provides, and you know, he's a superhero when it comes to product launches, and he creates nice comprehensive quality products, okay, not some shiny objects or some nonsense. Okay, now guys, as for the product, I already said it's for newbies, it's newbie friendly, and ideally for people who don't have a YouTube channel yet, because they are sort of like held back by the idea, oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to stick my face on the camera, I don't like my voice, I mean, like, is it gonna pick up or not? Yeah, I don't have like content ideas, stuff like that. It's perfect because it sort of solves all of those dilemmas. So no, like face on the camera, no, you don't have to. Using your own voice, you don't have to. The AI will do it for you. And in this training, this guide, they recommend you again, as you can see, they recommend you all of the tools. Very, very cool. I love it. And you can do it. You can start running a successful YouTube channel, but do bear in mind it's gonna take some time for your channel to pick up, and you need to be consistent with it. So definitely, guys, follow my advice, here, on how to customize a YouTube channel, because it's very important before you can even start dreaming about ranking on the first page, or I mean like on YouTube, right? So yeah, follow my training on that. It's like half an hour tutorial on how to, what's very important to set the right way for your channel to, you know, pick up. Right, so here we have, so sort of like they do show you what kind of faceless videos you will be able to create. So like here you get the preview as to what kind of videos you will create following this training. So watch this one.
Thea was special because her light was bright blue, not yellow like the other fireflies.
So you see this, well, it's AI generated obviously, but with, let me just reveal some of the secrets, okay? Some of the tools. So with Leonardo.ai, you will be able to create these avatars, okay? These pictures. Then you can paste into another tool they recommend, which will turn them into talking faces, okay? And then, you know, using ChatGPT and all of that, you will be able to create the script, and even ChatGPT. And they do give you the prompts here, okay? And yeah, and you will be able to put it together and yeah, create this sort of video shorts. Okay, what else did I want to tell? So here is like, they pretty much describe what you can expect out of this training course, this guide. Here are sort of like the main features of the product. So go through them again, guys. You'll find a link below my review. And yeah, that's it. You know, this is his launch partner, Sarah. Alessandro Zamboni is obviously the big daddy here. So guys, sweet and short, you know, this is gonna be your online version of the ebook, and also you can download it as PDF, okay, and read it like this, if that's what you prefer. Now, here we have the upsells. So OTO number 1, and the front end is $17. OTO number 1 is 27, and that's called Gold Niches for Faceless Channels. It's a guide giving you a lot of ideas about hot niches for faceless YouTube channels. OTO number 2 is $37. Viral Videos Revolution, a guide on how to use the power of YouTube advertising and coming with a plan for this YouTube advertising, I guess. OTO number 3, $27, monetize YouTube like a boss. It's the final guide to making more money with a YouTube account. And OTO number 4, 67, PLR versions of 4 reports. I'm not sure what reports they're talking about here. I don't have more information, but some PLR reports that you can rebrand them, resell them, give them away, stuff like that. So guys, once you've picked up the front end, you will be presented with the upsells. Go through them and see if you find anything that would interest you. Okay, so I have mentioned my bonuses. I mean, you know, super valuable, guys, trust me. Really, really good stuff that I give away here. Should you feel like this is the product for you and you want to buy it from me, again, the link below my review. Okay, love you and leave you. Ciao. Okay, ciao from London, not Bella Italia. And see you very soon. Bye bye.